Most of what decides whether your tomato seedlings turn out stocky and strong, or thin and floppy, happens weeks before they ever touch the garden. Here's the timing and the one trick most people skip. Start seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before transplant time, usually 2 to 3 weeks after your last frost, once seedlings reach 4 to 5 inches. Sow 2 seeds per pot in a soilless mix, about 1/4 inch deep, and keep the soil near 70 degrees. You'll see sprouts in 3 to 7 days. Once they're up, set fluorescent lights just 1 to 2 inches above the foliage, raising them as the plants grow, for the full 6 to 8 weeks. Here's the part most people skip. Gently brushing your seedlings by hand several times a day actually reduces their average height by about 20%, producing shorter, sturdier stems that handle transplanting much better. Move them into larger pots once or twice before they go outside, setting them slightly deeper each time. Harden them off gradually, outside during the day, back in at night, for a few days before planting out for good. Get the timing right, and everything else about growing tomatoes gets easier from here.